Hello guys, my name's M. My website, my blog, crypticgains.com. I had 3 trades, 3 winners, trading ES and EOTBro.com's NSEP risk profile 0 strategy. Pretty good strategy. Wanted to show it to you guys today. I'll kind of tell you a little bit about what I'm doing. It's been a while since I made a video. Let's just get into it. So prior to the open this morning, the market went lower than yesterday's lows, so in the pre-market kind of signaling we could definitely see this market go down lower, and so that's what I had a bias towards the downside on, just from the open in the morning. So we opened up 9:30 over here. Market shot up, and then volume started to hook down hard. Ahead of price, and I was looking for a short signal. I'm only taking these blue ones during trading time, and this first signal was right here. It filled me, and I was looking to get out. End of trend and ID, which is red, and TA, which is blue, come together. The red is short term, the long term is blue, and when they come together, usually it signals that the trend is coming to an end, and that's where I got out. Took a couple points there. Otherwise I would have had my stop here, and I trailed it down behind here, and when this happened, I just got out right here. Took about 3 points. Then another one happened here. Market moved up, volume went sideways, moved up, no signal, CMA is still red, came back, and then volume started to hook immediately from here, right price, cutting it up, had a signal here, and with volume hooking down the way it was, even though this was still green, I went short. We started off and we did real well. I step my stop. This is how I get out of trades when I'm in these trades. Is first it's behind here, then as soon as we break this tiny low right here, I'm moving behind here, and then as soon as we break this one, I'm moving behind here, and as soon as we break these pushes, I move my stop. As soon as we break, I move my stop behind here, and once we go parabolic and these two come together, I'm getting out right here, about 4 points here, I think. 10, 50, 75. Yeah, just about 4 points. I think 3.5 is what I got for. Also, market, if you notice, is making higher lows, signaling downtrend, and then breaking these lows and lower highs and lower lows is what it was doing, moving and breaking these support and then we had another one, a move up here, and then it went right down. But had you been right here and not been able to see any of this, you'd have sat there, and this is what you would have saw. You saw a market signal, you saw a lower high put in here, market's breaking here, volume's hooking here. That's the signal that you would have got. You got this signal right here, real time. End of trends at the bottom, signaling that this could start to move up and start a new trend, and that's exactly what we did. Okay, so at this point, what we've done is started to move down. Stop moves goes from here, and as soon as as soon as we break this, that's when I move my stop behind here, and then we're off to the races. Keep waiting, and until I see an arrow, or my stop gets hit, or volume is just hooking hard against me, then I'm still in this trend, and volume's in my favor here. Even coming up to this, I'm still in this. We broke this, that's huge, so I know that this isn't any kind of double bottom or anything, which is great. I'm still in this trade, still in this trade, still in this trade, still in this trade, still in this trade. Now, we had a push up here, and then we broke it, so my stop now is behind here. Keep going down. It came up, it didn't break this, it was resistance, very high resistance, kept going down. Now these two are coming together, I'm looking to get out, starting to move parabolic, and that's what we had. So I got out in here, and it was a great trade, easy points, and then we just kept going. So next thing we know, market comes back up. I didn't get filled on this trade because I put my order here and it just immediately went away from me, so I didn't even get filled, and that's okay. I would have been a small winner. Now if I was in this trade though, let's say I got filled right here, arrow, volume's putting down, volume's starting to turn here, and at this point market came down, pushed up, came back down, pushed up again. I'm out in this candle because it's going to break this. Alright, so yeah, as soon as that happens, and these start to come against you, I'm getting out here. So you're probably banked up 10.45, 25, 10.44, maybe 2 points. 2 points. Actually, you know what? Maybe a point and a half. About maybe a point, maybe a point and a half. So if you got filled, that's what it would have been. Volume started to go choppy, started to go against you. If you were in this, and then next thing you know, we get this trade. Which again, I'm only taking blues, but this volume is in your direction. CMA turned green. All you need to do is put a stop here, and you could ride that one up for a nice winner, but I didn't take that trade. So I only took those 3 trades earlier, and then I just called it a day. But if you went back to trading, you saw there was another good trade right here, another good trade right here. This one would have been great, and if you didn't get filled, but if you gave up a tick, back for you, that would have definitely made you happy. So you could have gotten in here and stacked, and then rode your stop down. You could have got it out here, or you could have got it out when these two touched. I try to get down. I try to be the first one out when it pushes down, but that doesn't always happen. But when these come together, I'm out. You would have made some money here, left some on the table, but hey, from here to here, that's a good 5 points. I'm good with that. So those were the trades today. Very easy, very simple. There's some more trades. Also, Summer's Bar is something they're working on in the chat room. Chat room's free this week if you guys want to go and check it out. But what they're doing over there is pretty amazing. They're making, this is a 4-range bar, by the way, which means it's fixed. Every time price moves, 4 range and then out, it makes a new bar. 4 range and then out, it makes a new bar. 4 range, out, new bar. What they're doing over there is adaptive range bars. History, basically. No, it's their bars have never been made before, and they're adaptive. They're not fixed. The only range bars that are available now are fixed. And with adaptive bars, that means when volatility screams up, the bars get bigger, so that way the trend looks smoother. And I can't even describe how smooth it looks to you and how great the analysis looks on it. You're just gonna have to go check it out yourself. It's actually something you can check out. It's a history in the making, and as soon as it comes out, because it's still beta testing, I'll be able to do it. But what I saw, actually, it's not a signal trade, but I took this trade right here. I took one of these arrows, and what happened was this volume is just so strong, and there's no resistance up here. And this already broke this little nugget, if you want to call it. But it broke that, and it just started screaming up. But on that chart, I was watching real time. The trend was just, this green line didn't even pull back here. It was just straight up because these arrows, the bars on the adaptive bars, which is called summer bars, look so smooth that I didn't even hesitate. So I got in on this, and I just rode this thing up and made a good good profit there. So throughout the day, there's just great trades back and forth. I wanna one thing that I question. Okay, well, what if the market doesn't move in your direction? How do you get out? What do you do? Well, as soon as I get in on a trade, let's say I get in here. Now, I don't trade this time of day, just to use this just in case this happened in real time. You guys know what to do. But let's say you get a trade, like right here, and during the day, you're in this, and volume starts to hook against you. Okay, there's that's bad. Next, your price is moving against you, but more importantly, you get an arrow against you, and you have your stop here, 12 points. You got in here, 12 ticks. It's $150. I don't want to take that big of a loss. So if I see an arrow against me, I'm gonna watch. I'm probably either gonna get out right here, so volume's gonna go against me. And if this goes up and fails, then I'm definitely out as fast as possible. And you would have saved, you would have got out with maybe a little bit less than $100 loss than 150. And that's what I do. But I don't trade end of the day like this, or aftermarket, but these are the signals. They're just mushy, but I only trade during market. So when it's open, when it's going, good trades today. Check out the blog, crypticgains.com, and again, my name is M. Catch you guys later. Bye bye.